It's been way too long since vlog number 2 from the Four Corners area. This is number 3 and we'll finish off that trip. From the Four Corners area, it's almost impossible to get back to northern Utah where I live without going through Moab. So we thought we had better spend a couple days there and have a relook at some of our favorite spots from previous visits. We made it to Moab. Not only to Moab, but we made it out here to Marlboro Point. And today is day 5 of our exciting adventure. The thing about Moab is maybe if you lived here, you might be able to go to all of the adventurous spots. But I think you'd have to live here to hit all of them. There's just too many. But Dave and Chad and I, Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, are here and ready for some more adventure. Roll that intro. Another favorite place is the Gooseneck Overlook over the Colorado River, which you can see if you look down about 1,400 feet below Dead Horse Point State Park. We decided to take the Potash Ponds Trail, and due to some nasty storms and flooding in the area just a few months before, and the fact that it was still winter, the Potash Ponds Road was in the worst condition I had ever seen. It was much worse than what it shows in the video. I've never flown over the Potash Ponds before and decided to give it a try while we were there. just over a 30-mile drive northeasterly along the Colorado River will bring you to Dewey Bridge. Once the longest suspension bridge in Utah, its decking was made of wood and burned in a fire in 2008. We recently discovered a place called Castle Valley just a few miles east of Moab, and keep going back. In the distance on the right side of your screen, you can barely see Fisher Towers. Fisher Towers is a beautiful place to wind up this road trip to the Four Corners area and to Moab. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed the beauties of the Four Corners area and Moab. This is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, and until next time, keep on keeping on.